How do some women seem to age into elegance so effortlessly? It starts with small, thoughtful choices, clothes that fit well, colors that flatter, and accessories that always feel timeless. Over time, those details build a style that looks polished and luxurious, even when it isn't expensive. The best part is, achieving that look is simpler than most people think. So in this video, we're going through all the ways to look more elegant and expensive, no matter your budget. Let's get started. 1. The tailored blazer. Nothing says elegance like a perfectly fitted blazer. It's the kind of piece that instantly brings structure and confidence to your look, no matter what you wear underneath. For women over 50, it's a simple way to look pulled together without trying too hard. A blazer frames the shoulders, defines the waist, and gives your outfit that effortless polish seen in well-dressed women everywhere. Neutral colors like black, navy, camel, or cream are the most versatile. They pair beautifully with jeans, dresses, or trousers. The secret lies in the fit. Shoulder seams that sit right where they should, sleeves that hit just above the wrist, and a gentle shape through the waist. Small details like neat stitching, smooth lining, and quality buttons make a huge difference in how expensive it looks. You don't need a designer tag, by the way, as even an affordable blazer can look refined if it's clean, pressed, and well kept. 2. The white button-down, crisp blouse. A crisp white blouse is one of those pieces that quietly does all the work. It brightens your face, adds structure to your outfit, and gives off that polished, effortless energy that never goes out of style. For women over 50, it's a wardrobe essential that always feels fresh and confident. The secret is keeping it simple: clean lines, a sharp collar, and fabric that holds its shape. Cotton poplin is a classic choice since it stays crisp through the day, while a silk blend brings a soft, graceful flow. The way you wear it also changes the mood. A neatly tucked blouse looks smart and classic, while rolling up the sleeves gives a relaxed, confident feel. Pair it under a blazer for a refined look, or wear it on its own with tailored trousers or jeans. The key is maintenance. Press it well, keep the fabric bright, and avoid dull or worn collars. Even the most affordable blouse looks elegant when it's cared for properly. It's simple, timeless, and always delivers that put-together finish every elegant woman is known for. 3. Elevated color palette and fabric choices. Color and fabric can completely change how elegant an outfit feels. The right shades bring warmth to your skin, make outfits look coordinated, and give off that calm, refined energy people associate with sophistication. Neutral tones like ivory, navy, camel, slate grey, and blush work beautifully because they blend effortlessly and never go out of style. They make it easy to create outfits that always feel balanced and refined. Then comes texture, the quiet secret behind an expensive look. Mixing smooth fabrics with slightly textured ones adds depth without effort. Think of pairing a soft knit with sleek trousers, or a structured blazer with a satin-like blouse. When it comes to fabrics, quality matters more than the name on the tag. Linen blends, tweed, crepe, or silk touch polyester can look incredibly refined if they're well cared for. The goal is to choose materials that drape nicely and hold their shape. 4. Tailored trousers. Straight leg, slight wide leg. A great pair of trousers can completely define your style. They bring structure, balance, and confidence to every outfit. For women over 50, tailored trousers are one of those timeless pieces that work for almost every setting, whether it's a coffee meetup or a formal event. The key is the fit. Straight leg or slightly wide leg designs create clean lines that flatter most body types, giving a relaxed yet elegant shape. The waistband should sit comfortably, never digging in or sagging, while the length should just touch the top of your shoe. Color also plays a big part. Neutral tones like navy, black, charcoal, or taupe are classic because they work with almost everything. When it comes to fabric, medium weight materials like wool blends, cotton twill, or stretch crepe hold their shape beautifully. They also move well and resist wrinkling, which keeps you looking neat through the day. Trousers are one of those quiet power pieces. They don't need to make a statement to show quality. With a simple blouse, a pair of polished shoes, and a confident posture, tailored trousers can make you look effortlessly refined. 5. Midi, knee-length skirt, pencil or A-line. There's something timeless about a well-fitted skirt. It moves gracefully, sits comfortably, and and brings a sense of polish that's hard to miss. The magic lies in the cut and the length. A midi or knee-length skirt creates a balanced, flattering shape that works beautifully for both casual and formal looks. Pencil skirts offer a smooth, elegant line, while A-line designs bring softness and ease of movement. The fabric makes a big difference here. Crepe, wool blends, or structured cotton help the skirt hold its form and fall neatly with every step. A good skirt pairs beautifully with almost anything: a tucked blouse, a knit sweater, or a simple tee under a blazer. Footwear ties it all together. Heels bring extra height and elegance, while pointed flats or loafers keep it classic and comfortable. The best part is how versatile it is. Dress it up for dinner or keep it simple for a day out. A well-made skirt never goes out of style. It's one of those quiet pieces that always looks graceful, refined, and effortlessly elegant. 6. Fine knit sweater, cashmere, merino, or high-end knit. A fine knit sweater has a calm kind of elegance. It feels soft, moves naturally, and brings warmth without losing style. It's one of those pieces that always looks refined when chosen with care. A simple crew neck or V-neck shapes the neckline gracefully while keeping the overall look balanced and relaxed. The material is where the magic happens. Cashmere feels luxurious, while merino wool or high-quality cotton blends are excellent, affordable alternatives. The fabric should feel smooth and hold its shape instead of stretching out or sagging. Neutral shades like beige, grey, or navy pair effortlessly with almost everything, from tailored trousers to skirts or jeans. Sweaters also layer beautifully. Worn under a blazer or over a blouse, they add texture and depth without overwhelming the outfit. The goal is to keep it polished, avoid heavy bulk, and keep the surface clean, free from pilling or fading. 7. Structured handbag. A structured handbag is one of the simplest ways to elevate an outfit. It instantly adds shape, balance, and a sense of polish that soft fabrics alone can't achieve. A clean, structured design gives an air of confidence, like every detail was chosen with intention. The best ones have defined edges, sturdy handles, and minimal hardware, creating a look that feels both refined and timeless. Leather is a classic choice since it ages beautifully, though good faux leather or vegan options can look just as elegant when well crafted. Colours such as tan, black, cream, or deep burgundy blend seamlessly with almost any outfit and are easy to maintain through the seasons. The secret lies in keeping it neat, no overflowing zippers or worn corners. A medium-sized tote is often the most versatile. It holds everything you need while maintaining a sleek silhouette. Whether carried by the handles or over the shoulder, it completes the outfit like the final touch of polish. 8. Elegant shoes. Flats, loafers, low heels, kitten heels. Shoes have a way of setting the tone for your entire outfit. Even the most beautiful dress can lose its charm if the shoes feel careless. The goal is comfort blended with sophistication, a pair that feels good to walk in and still looks polished. Classic shapes like pointed flats, loafers, or low block heels never go out of style. Quality materials make all the difference. Leather or suede always adds a refined touch and tends to last much longer than synthetics. Neutral tones such as black, beige, or soft taupe easily match multiple outfits and give that coordinated, expensive feel. The secret is keeping them clean, polished, and in good condition. Even affordable shoes can look luxurious when they're well cared for. Small details like a simple buckle, a smooth toe, or a neat seam can elevate a design without making it flashy. Every step should feel confident and comfortable. Shoes are one of those finishing touches that complete your presence. They ground your look and quietly tell the world you pay attention to the details. 9. Polished hair, makeup, and scent. True elegance always starts with good grooming. Hair, makeup, and scent work together to create a lasting impression before a word is even spoken. For women over 50, polish doesn't mean overdone. It means clean, healthy, and well-maintained. A neat haircut that suits your face shape instantly lifts your look, while soft, natural colours make the hair appear fuller and more radiant. When it comes to makeup, less truly speaks louder. Neutral tones with a bit of glow around the cheeks and eyes create a fresh, refined finish. A tinted moisturizer, a touch of mascara, and a subtle lipstick shade can completely brighten your features without feeling heavy. The goal is to enhance, not cover. Then there's the quiet power of scent. A A gentle, well-chosen perfume adds warmth and personality to your presence. Floral, woody, or clean citrus notes often feel timeless and sophisticated. Applying it lightly is key. A trace on the wrists or neck is enough. Together, these details form the invisible layer of elegance that ties everything together. It shows care, confidence, and the kind of attention that never goes unnoticed. 10. Minimal, delicate jewelry. Jewelry has a way of finishing a look without saying a word. The smallest details, a glint of gold, a fine chain, or a simple pearl, can make an outfit feel thoughtful and refined. Delicate jewelry creates balance. It enhances your natural elegance and adds refinement without drawing too much attention. Start with timeless pieces. Small hoop earrings, thin bracelets, or subtle pendants are always elegant. They work with any outfit and never feel dated. Gold and silver both carry a classic charm, while pearls bring a soft, graceful touch that flatters every skin tone. Mixing metals gently can also add depth, as long as it stays minimal. Quality matters more than quantity. A few well-chosen pieces, kept clean and stored carefully, will last for years and always look polished. Avoid anything too heavy or flashy. Fine details always read as more sophisticated. Jewelry should feel like an extension of you, not an accessory fighting for attention. It's that quiet sparkle that ties everything together, reminding everyone that true elegance often lives in the smallest touches. And that's it. So, which of these picks do you believe defines true elegance, no matter the price tag? Comment down below, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos like this one.